G'day, my name's Marty and I'm the artist who makes these wonderful pinatas for pinata portraits. What I want to do is have an exhibition where we get to smash 30 pinatas all at once in the same venue at the very same time. Now, the money raised from bidding for these pinatas and bidding for the right to smash these pinatas is going to go to a great charity called Bravehearts. Now, Bravehearts looks after children who have been subject to sexual abuse. They are a great charity. This is their mascot Ditto, and 100% of money raised from these two pinatas are going to go directly to Bravehearts. And also what I'd like to do for this event is get some sponsors on board, maybe some electrical companies or phone companies, and we can put tokens inside the pinatas so people can win prizes as well as just candy falling on the floor. So if you know anyone who is involved in a company that can help me out by offering some prizes we can put into the pinatas, oh mate, that would be fantastic. I'd love to hear from them as well. Right, so this is the part where I ask you to put your hand in your pocket. Now I know you can feel the energy coming from an event like this. Imagine the smiles you'll be putting on kids' faces as the candy hits the deck, as adults are smashing the Mad Hatter. Imagine the vibe and the excitement that we're going to create from such an event, and imagine the money we can raise for such a magnificent cause like Bravehearts. Okay, I'm going to set a goal for $20,000. The reason I'm setting a goal for that is I need money to pay for the venue, for lighting tresses, to hang the pinatas, for printing, for promotion, for audio, also for advertising, and just making the pinatas cost money for the paint, because they're all hand painted, they're all works of art. These are all individually made. Now, what I want to do, and this is what's going to cost the most money, is put a GoPro above each and every pinata, so people can get a video of themselves smashing the pinata, watching the candy hit the floor, and get that to keep after they bid for the right to smash each pinata. Now, if anyone knows anyone at GoPro who can, be a supporter or be a sponsor and offer 32 GoPros so I don't have to buy them, hey, that'd be fantastic. Send them my way, please. But otherwise I'm going to have to buy these myself. And they're not cheap. So I'm going to set a goal for $20,000 to make this event happen. Now, once we've done that, I don't want it to be the last time it happens. I want to do this for other charities and do it over and over and over again. Now, rewards. Well, I don't have a lot to give because I've put all my time and effort and money into creating these pinatas and trying to get this great event up off the ground so far. What I am willing to do is you will get acknowledged on this webpage. You will get acknowledged on the day of the event, and you will get acknowledged by a personal email. But what I do intend to do is anyone who donates over $1,000, I will personally make an individual pinata just for you. So you, think about it. If you can't help me with a donation, at least share this link with maybe someone who can. Just share it everywhere. Anywhere and everywhere. Share it right across the whole globe. Guess what? I have a globe. Share it to every country in the world, because this is going to be amazing. Imagine people leaving an event like this with smiles from ear to ear. Imagine the energy it's going to create as kids are smashing pinatas with a baseball bat or a stick or a sword or a hockey stick. It doesn't matter. They can use whatever they want. These things are rock solid. They take 15 minutes to half an hour to smash to get the candy out of them. But we need some help. So I know you feel it. I know you can feel the energy from an event like this. So help us out.